Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of all ages, back again with another video for you guys. This time we're actually going to do a box opening of Stadium Club 2020 for this video. This was a Christmas gift from my brother. It's hard, like I said, in every video, hard to find sealed products, so I want to thank him greatly for finding this for me and sending it. This is by far, or was, is or was, whatever, my favorite set, my favorite thing to collect as far as the 2020 series goes. Like, out of all the product, Stadium Club was by far my favorite. I've opened, I think I opened a blaster on the channel once before. And my wife actually got me 2 hobby boxes that I know for certain what we opened on the channel, so I'm very stoked to open this one. Probably my second favorite is, of course, the Allen and Ginter, which we will get into on another video and open all those up that I have left in stock. So let me go ahead and take the cellophane off this, and we'll go ahead and get into the cards and see what we got. Wow, I really should have brought scissors down with me. Yes, I did. All right, I'm sure this looks great on video. The dead space is sitting there. All right, finally open, cracked. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we have. All right, close that up. That to the side. So we have a wide vision box topper. We'll open last, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs to go through. All right. So let's see if we can zoom in a little bit better. Here we go. And we'll get into it. And maybe get lucky. Maybe get a signature out of this, or maybe a nice short print or something. So Sean Doolittle, the Superman Ozzy Albies, nice. The Austin Meadows. Oh, there we go. Mitch Garver, red. Nice. And of course, we saw the Sonny Gray. Oh, Canseco, nice. I don't think I have that one yet. I'm trying to build this set out. So we have the Alizé rookie card. And then the Dallas Keuchel. Trey Turner. Is that a Juan Soto Power Zone insert? And then, yes, I do not have this one yet. Very nice. Jose Canseco. That's a sweet card. Nice. All right, I'm excited about that. Good stuff. Let's see, Roberto Clemente. So, Rafael Devers. The Yu Chang rookie. Sean Manaea. Love those socks. All right, so we got another red foil, Freddie Freeman, and then the Roberto Clemente on the back there. That is a cool photo. That's why I love Stadium Club so much this year. The photos, the images is just amazing. The card quality is terrific, of course. Chris Sale. Shane Bieber. Patrick Corbin. Oh, these a negative maybe. I forget what these are called. Brandon Woodruff. So back, whoa, back to back? Okay. Okay, I see you. I should have probably looked on the back to see if there was any of those foils were numbered. I think I have a Juan Soto one, red foil, that's actually Tatis Jr. Nice. That's actually numbered. Jordan Yamamoto, Jose Abreu, very cool image. Willie Calhoun, Nick Markakis, and red foil fashion. Not numbered. Maybe I could be making it up. I don't know. It's a very nice Tatis Jr. I'll go back through and look at the backs after we're done opening everything. Oh, Hank Aaron. Very nice. On a very, very sad day today for baseball as a whole, as Hank has just recently passed away. Michael Baez. This is Ozuna. Yeah. Ozuna. So then we have Emperors of the Zone. Shohei Ohtani. Which I don't even know why they make this, because dude hasn't been able to pitch right in like 3 years. It's very cool. Yadi Molina. NLCS 2019. Very nice. Byron Buxton's on the back side. So we got Trevor Story at a backhand stab.